Toyo-Tanso has been supplying graphite products to various industries for many years. In this time, we introduce our EDM electrode support system. Materials. Toyo-Tanso offers an extensive lineup of materials, which can be selected to meet your needs. ISM 8 is a material widely used in EDM applications, and is used for die casting molds and other general-purpose applications. TTK55 is a mid-range material and is widely used for precision molds, plastic molds, and die casting. TTK4, 5, 8, and 9 are used for EDMs that require high precision. Response system. Toyo-Tanso has offices around the world and can respond to your inquiries via the internet or locally. We will respond flexibly to your needs. Technical support. Our dedicated engineers will support you when switching from copper electrodes or other materials to graphite. Please contact us from the overview section. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for watching. Please check out our other videos.